Hi everybody, Dave Aquino at Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, April 30th, 2026. So looking at the market today, we had an initial gap higher. Market filled the gap rather quickly, but quickly turned around after that. We pushed higher till we broke above the high of the week, which on Monday we made a new all-time high. Well, today we broke that and we are continuing higher. What this potentially is a bull flag on the daily chart with the potential to continue to move higher. Now, with the earnings reports from both Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft, they all came in some with a little surprise. I would say Amazon is relatively flat, Meta and Microsoft both selling off. Alphabet is relatively strong. Apple is actually strong today, but that doesn't have earnings until after today's closing bell. Nvidia is even weak here, and Tesla is positive. So it's a very mixed technology area, but I will like to emphasize that the equal weighted index, which is representative of a lot of the other stocks in the S&P 500, is up over 1%. SPX is up not nearly as much. That is up only 0.71%. And the NASDAQ, because of some of the laggers in those large cap tech stocks, only up 0.5%. But you know what? I won't discount the fact that we have a lot of strength and that we are putting in a new high. So I would watch for a continuation here on the daily chart and continued higher highs, provided we continue to get a drop in energy prices, that things stay relatively calm in the Strait of Hormuz, and Apple has a reasonably good earnings report today after the bell. Thanks.